If the text in Obsidian appears too small or too large, don't worry. Obsidian provides several ways to adjust font size so you can create a more comfortable reading and writing experience. Whether you use Obsidian for note-taking, studying, research, journaling, project management, or building a personal knowledge base, having the right font size can make a big difference in productivity and readability. The good news is that changing the font size in Obsidian is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to change font size in Obsidian in 2026 step by step, even if you are completely new to the application. First, open Obsidian and load the vault where you want to adjust the text size. Once your notes are visible, you can begin modifying the appearance settings to make the text easier to read. The easiest method is using Obsidian's built-in appearance settings. Click the Settings icon, usually located in the lower left corner of the application window. This will open the Settings panel where you can customize various aspects of the program. Inside the Settings menu, select the Appearance section. Here, you will find options related to themes, interface customization, and visual preferences. Depending on your version of Obsidian, you may see a setting specifically related to font size or interface scaling. Adjust the available text size or zoom settings until the content appears comfortable for your needs. Larger text can improve readability, while smaller text allows more information to fit on the screen at once. Another very common method is using the zoom controls built directly into Obsidian. On most computers, you can hold the Control key and press the plus key to increase the zoom level. To decrease the size, hold the Control key and press the minus key. If you want to return to the default zoom level, use the Reset Zoom shortcut supported by your operating system. As you adjust the zoom level, both your notes and parts of the interface may become larger or smaller. This is often the fastest solution for users who simply want immediate control over text size. If you use a custom theme, additional font settings may be available. Some themes include their own typography options that allow you to adjust body text size, heading size, interface fonts, and other display elements. Explore the theme settings if you want more detailed customization. Advanced users can also use CSS snippets to create highly customized font sizes. CSS snippets allow you to modify specific elements of the Obsidian interface, including note content, headings, sidebars, menus, and other visual components. This option provides maximum flexibility, but may require some familiarity with customization settings. After changing the font size, spend a few minutes reading and editing notes to determine whether the new size feels comfortable. The ideal font size should allow you to read for long periods without eye strain, while still displaying enough content on the screen at once. Another useful tip is testing different sizes during both editing mode and reading mode. Some users prefer slightly different text scaling depending on how they interact with their notes. If you work on multiple devices, remember that font size preferences may not automatically match across every computer. You may need to adjust display settings individually on each device for the best experience. So that's how to change font size in Obsidian in 2026. The main steps are opening the appearance settings, adjusting available font or zoom controls, using keyboard shortcuts when needed, exploring theme customization options, and testing the new size to ensure a comfortable reading experience. Most users can adjust their preferred font size within just a few moments using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.